Hello, welcome back to Isaac Vlogs. Today I'm gonna unbox these amazing AirDops 441 which I have brought from Amazon. So let's begin the unboxing. So as you can see all we have this ranging red box with comes with Bluetooth connectivity, IPX7 water resistant, one touch voice assistant, advanced capacitive touch control. So let's slide the box. Now you can see all how the box is sliding slowly, which I found it very cool. Now see, we have this capsule in which we have this air dopes 441 inside it. Adding further to it, we have this cable, data cable, plus we have this all official merchandise connectivity with Chennai Super Kings, etc., KKR, etc. We have this amazing warranty, 1 year warranty card, and the manual guide. So here these are AirDops 441 एंड वी हैव दिस मैग्नेटिक केस कि जैसे कि आपका ये कहीं गिर ना जाए तो कनेक्टेड रहता है. तो दिस लाइट मीन्स इट इज चार्जिंग एंड इट इज कैप्सूल इज चार्ज while the air dopes 441 are charging inside the capsule. So you can tap on the both air dopes 441 either right or left. For long press 2 seconds for Siri or Google Assistant. Tap anywhere on the both side for attending the call. Then again tap to reject the call or hang up the call. While playing the music on a stereo, you can tap on the right side for pause and left side for the play. Tapping for 2 seconds on the right airdrop, you can play the next song, and while doing the same on the left side, you can play the previous. You can use single airdrop while keeping one inside a capsule. While tapping for 5 seconds on the both airdrops, you can power it off manual. While tapping 3 times on both the airdrops, you can factory reset it. So these amazing airdrops you can connect with your smartphone, and for volume you have to control it via your phone. And plus you can connect to your smartwatch and smartphone for tapping and rejecting the call and listening music. You can, and I found this very cool. While you can use for traveling, gymming, anywhere like swimming, etc., running, jogging, cycling. So thank you for watching the blog. Please like, share and subscribe.